Hello everyone, this is Nico, your real estate professional with Keller Realty. So the video today is real quick video, and by the way, I'm just gonna put my sunglasses. Pretty sunny day today, beautiful down here. I'm in Naples Manor, and the address for this new listing that is coming up next week is 5246 Texas Avenue. So this is a coming soon video for one of our listings coming up. 3-in-1. 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Let me show you the house. Very cute, very small, great for starting families or for an investor. Great income potential, by the way. Somewhat updated. It has brand new water heater, newer appliances, newer kit. The kitchen was redone. We painted inside and it's ready to go. It's gonna hit the market this coming week in the very low 200s, so very affordable for East Naples. We're about 5 miles from Naples downtown and about 8 miles out from Marco Island, so close to everything. Great location. That's my time. Please call me at 239-404-5154 for more information or for any showings. For my fellow agents, if you know somebody looking in Naples Manor for something affordable, please make sure, don't forget to give me a call. Okay, remember, don't give up. Keep going, don't give up, don't quit. Keep moving forward, guys. Thank you so much. God bless you.